halos kinitil na kayo. And yet, nagpapakyut pa kayo sa mga bilyars. Nakakahiya. Nakakadire actually. Nakakadire. Parang mas gusto to kaysa sa Popeyes.
Miss Chicha is waking up!
ABS-CBN somehow has maintained that stature.
Tinanong ko sa kanya, may multo ba rito?
Oy mga Kuyakoy, this is Kuya Mike, ang Kuya sa America, and this is for the Kuyakoy list. Alright, so sorry it took me a while na mag-video. Obvious naman na may sakit ako. Dahil before this, Saturday pa lang, Makati na yung lalamunan natin. Tapos may kasal na kung saan yung aking pamangkin, anak ng sister ko, ay kinasal. So I had to attend that wedding. And same time, syempre, be with family, no? Or nagpapasalamat ako sa mga umattend from different states na pumunta doon sa kasal. So, from then on, talagang from Makati ang lalamunan, lumabas na yung mga iba-ibang simptomas, sinipon, inubo, and then nag-chills. So, I don't think this is COVID. I hope not. But on to my recovery now. So, hinay-hinay lang tayo. Alright? Okay, just letting you know, we still have our paninda, the Kuyakoy Life and the Kinder Life. Just check on the mga binibenta natin. There will be more designs and I'm really excited na malamang hindi lang ito sa Amerika pero in different parts of the world actually. So, hintay-hintay lang pa kayo. So, ano ba ang mga bago? Yung kay Joey De Leon. Alright, so at least nagsalita na si Joey De Leon. So, ang daming pumunta sa ating channel and thank you po sa mga comments at saka sa mga subscribers, sa mga bagong subscribers. Tuloy-tuloy lang po ninyo yan. Pero I think instead na mga Itbulaga, TVJ, atakihin tayo, they should have asked yung si Joey De Leon what he really meant with such comments. And good enough, because it was a comment na talagang hindi mo maintindihan, good, he made that clarification. I'm not exactly buying it, but I'm giving him the benefit of the doubt, alright? So, sinabi niya, mahal niya ang It's Showtime. That's well and good. Mahal naman rin ng It's Showtime ang Itbulaga. And lagi na yan sinasabi ng mga It's Showtime na mahal-mahal nila ang Itbulaga. Kasama na ang Tito Vic and Joey. Alright? So, all's well that ends well. And then, ngayon naman, parang hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit, again, nakipag-tie up na naman or nakipag-tie up ang ABS-CBN with the Villars, with the Tall TV. So, totoo pala, marami ang nagre-react. Marami ang hindi nagkakagusto sa pangyayari nito. Dahil ang feeling nila, and totoo naman yung feeling ko rin, parang hindi nanindigan ang ABS-CBN. Musta naman yun, na kung sino pa ang pumatay ng franchise, dun pa sila nakipag-deal. Hindi ba nakita yun nila Mr. Katigbak, ni Cory Vidanes, ang mga pangyayaring ito, how it will look like for ABS-CBN? I mean, naiintindihan ko na kailangan nyo pa ng spasyo. Pero why? Why would you do that with the Villars? And doesn't make really good sense at all. Parang hindi kayo nanindigan. It only shows na parang nilalamon kayo ng sistema. There will come a time people will not really care for you guys. Dahil ang tingin nila sa ABS-CBN is just really for money. Why can't you just wait for better and bigger opportunities? Dapat pinataob nyo muna itong AMBS. Pero what we're doing is just resuscitating it. Bagsak na yan, ang channel na yan. And you knew it would be coming into that. And yet, ni-revive nyo lang. Sinira nyo ang pangalan ninyo. It really besmirched what reputation you have, good reputation you have sa mga ninanindigan at para sa bayan at para sa values din na hopefully the shared values we have. Pero hindi eh. Whoever gave you that idea na tipong it's a good deal, I'm sure it's the Villars who started the courting here. It just doesn't make sense. I wish tinulungan nyo na lang yung A to Z. A to Z. Yun ang tinulungan ninyo. Or maybe another channel, even TV5 with RPN9 there. Yun dapat ununan nyo. That should have been the least kailangan bigyan ng priority. Pero hindi eh. Nagmagaling kayo, nagmadali kayo, and you're just losing that goodwill and losing that pagmamalasakit ng mga tao for your branding, ABS-CBN. If we can rescind that contract and even pay the Villars, please do it now before masira talaga ang inyong reputasyon, ang inyong branding. Dahil pinagtatawanan kayo, niisip na, oy, sumasama sila sa mga ganitong mga tao na alam nyo naman, ang mga Villars are into Dutertes. Maka-Duterte mga yan. Diyos ko day, maawa naman kayo. Halos kinitil na kayo. And yet, nagpapakyut pa kayo sa mga Villars. Nakakawalang gana. Tuloy. Nakakawalang gana. Do something about this because I don't think you putting your TV Patrol in this channel to programming ng Villar could help any sa ABS-CBN. Could have done much better choice. Sinira nyo, linagyan nyo sarili nyo ng putik. Kayo mismo, ang ABS-CBN, nilagyan nyo ng putik ang sarili ninyo. Alright, so in the meantime, this would be all. Hopefully, the next video I would sound better, much better, and I would be feeling better. Let's see, ano ba yung mga comment ninyo regarding sa mga Villars at ang ABS-CBN tie-up. It never ever helped them. Nakakahiya. Nakakadire actually. Nakakadire. Alright, again, ito si Kuya Mike of the Kuya Ako'y List. Please subscribe sa ating channel and then give thumbs up sa ating vlog na ito. And then hit on that notification bell as well. Also check on the website, dyan sa Shopify. So explore lang kayo. Alright, pakilala niyo po ako at yung ating website sa mga here in the United States, mga Filipino-Americans. Alright, so that would be it. Again, ito po si Kuya Mike, ang kuya nyo sa Amerika. And this is for the Kuya Ako'y List.